Hey and welcome. Ask a dozen people what makes someone attractive, and you'll get a dozen different answers. A beautiful smile, a curvy shape, or even a great sense of humor could all be deciding factors in whether or not you get someone's attention. But there are plenty of subtle changes you can make that will help you look universally more attractive in no time, mostly because they'll give you tons of confidence, from adding a certain color to your wardrobe to working on your body language. These small tweaks will help you shine. Then you can be sure that you're more attractive than you think. Let's start. Number 1. Have good hygiene. Cleanliness matters. Shower and wash your face every day for a bright complexion and clean hair. Brush your teeth before you go out for a beautiful smile and good breath. Also remember to use deodorant and consider keeping some in your backpack. If you tend to sweat. Number 2. Keep a straight if you tend to sweat. Number 2. Keep a straight posture and look people in the eye. Posture matters not just because you look great, but because it'll help avoid backaches and other issues. When you walk, hold your head high, walk with a purpose, and let the world see that you're awesome. Practice a confident walk at home. 3. Consider wearing makeup. Some girls like to wear a little makeup, and others prefer the natural look. It's your choice. Blush, lip gloss, and or some eye makeup for fun. Feel free to experiment and find out what you like. Number 4. Play with your hair. Experiment with different hairdos and accessories. Do you like ponytails, pigtails, braids, hair clips, ribbons, flowers, etc.? Some girls like to straighten or curl their hair, while others keep their natural texture. Figure out what works for you, up or down, fancy or simple. Find something that makes you happy and let your awesome hair shine. Number 5. Be creative and fun with your outfits. If you see something that you love, then wear it no matter what the fashion magazines say. Wear colors and styles that make you feel happy, and the boost in mood will make you even more attractive. Try asking a family member or friend to help you pick up colors that complement